Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by selecting the object you want to turn into a link. You can use text, an image, or a shape. Once selected, right-click and choose Link or go to Insert Link to open the dialog. You need to decide the link type up front. Are you pointing to a slide, an external URL, an email address, or a local file? Make that choice now so the next steps map to the correct fields and options. Once done selecting the link type, fill in the destination field. Paste a full https://URL for web links, type mailto. For email, or pick a slide for an internal jump. Make sure to add a screen tip to guide viewers and set whether to open in a new window when available. If linking to a file, use relative paths for portability. If linking within the presentation, choose the exact slide by number or title. Test in slide, show preview to confirm behavior. You finish by clicking Apply or OK, then immediately run slide show mode and activate the link to verify it behaves as expected. If you need to change it, right-click the object and pick Edit Hyperlink or Remove Link to adjust the target or screen tip. If a link fails, make sure the URL includes the protocol, https:// the file path is correct and accessible, and the destination slide still exists. Checking those 3 items resolves most problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.